Hey guys, well it is 7:47 Sunday night, July 30th. Yeah, it's my daughter in the picture there. She's going to firefighter school. But I'm calling it a wraps. Uh, with not much time to spare. Got a little bit of work to do to it yet, just clean up kind of stuff, but um, got the bottom pretty well weathered and whatnot. Gotta do the tires up a little bit, weather them up a little and get some, dirt on the body and that. But other than that, I'm pretty much calling it a wraps. Inside, I like this opening door deal. Don't know how much you'll be able to see, but I gotta do a little cleanup on the black trim around the windows and the door handles. I gotta do a little bit of work on that because it's a little crappy. But yeah, for the most part, it's not too bad. Not the best I've ever done, but I've never done a 48-hour model build thing either. And I just could not get my butt out of bed the last 2 days. So the hood does not like to open. Got the engine and all that stuff done underneath. Gotta dirty that up a little bit. Just with some dirt, like road dirt kind of stuff. You know how the engine bays get. But got the engine done, the front push bar. Make sure doing this I don't mess up any of the decals because I just put them on. Yeah, they look okay. That one's moving a little bit, but yeah, so my first 48-hour group build is a wrap. Oh yeah, that's cool too. The wheels turn, and when the wheels turn, so does the steering wheel. Turn this around a little bit. Yeah, the steering wheel moves, so pretty neat little feature. I don't know if you can see much more detail inside on this side or not. Yeah, a little bit. The keyboard, and like I said, got dirtied up a little bit. It's a Chicago PD. They're not gonna. The cars are quick rotation, I'm sure, but got a little bit of touch up I gotta do. But like I said, overall, as far as I'm concerned, it's done, and I'm really surprised because I was definitely thinking I was gonna miss the 8 o'clock deadline, but yeah, as far as I'm concerned, it's done, and boy, I'll tell you what, that was fun. I definitely look forward to the next one next year. Hopefully, by then I can get my modeling skills up a little bit better and be able to do something a little bit better than this. But and the thing is, with this kit, there was just so much painting and everything because the rear end, the exhaust pipes, all that stuff was already molded in, so it had to paint all that and then weather it, and the weathering actually saved quite a bit of help. It helped me a lot, saved quite a bit of trying to make sure everything was nice and straight. But anyway, all right, guys. Hey, like I said, definitely check out Craig's channel over at Modeler. Thanks, Craig, for putting this deal together. And thanks to all you guys that watch my videos and subscribe and comment and like. And yeah, definitely glad I got this one done. This is gonna be neat. So Take care, guys. Now I get to sit back and see what all you other guys built. That'll be pretty cool too. See all the great model builders that were in this group build. So, thanks, guys. Take care. Have a blessed night and be safe. See ya.